Because, like, everything just kind of falls into it. It just needs to be bigger. Well, didn't mean to do that. Well. Yeah, and the hole needs to be a lot bigger. Whole movement range, whole movement speed, such. Yeah, maybe we'll go here, and then we'll get you, and then we'll sledgehammer out of here. But at the end of the day, I guess it doesn't matter too much because I can easily pick you up.